Hi everybody, welcome to the new home of Crybaby Performance. We're still moving in, but we got it on the run. Today we're going to talk about quarter midget radius rods. So over here we're coming up to our quarter midget car. All our radius rods are anodized in blue. The anodizing helps stuff so it doesn't bind up. With dissimilar metal corrosion on aluminum, these jam nuts and eyelids will get bound together over time. So on this car we have everything anodized. But over here, what we're really here to talk about today is a crash board. So this is a crash board, and it has all the G17 radius rods all labeled, all in their spot. And if your car comes in and it has a wreck, you can get one of these off in seconds and replace it on the car. They're all already at the correct lengths, right from the Nervo books. And the best part is they're all double nutted. So if you see right here, that's not coming apart. It has it all on the back. They're all the correct length. So if you use this rod, say you have to replace this rod, well, now you have the length for the new rod because it's already on here. So you just pop this off, put it on the car, and then at a later date, you have your spacing for your new rod. It also calls out all the lengths of all the rods right from the Nervo specs. So this applies to all makes and models of cars. You should have a crash board mounted to your pit cart or whatever your toolbox stand is going to be. And you should be ready because your car will be in a wreck at some point and you will have to replace some of these things. So thanks for watching our video, and we will see you at the track. From the home of Crybaby Performance, where we try and they cry.